We're in the kitchen area today. I'm going to be doing some mudding. I'm really going to skip over a lot of the mud and tape stuff that we do in the house. That's not really individual to this home. That's kind of the same thing you're going to see at any house you've ever done before. So a lot of that is just going to get skipped over. This wall here used to have all the cabinets, but now we're making it the dining room area. Downside of that, you can see there's all these marks, there's all the screw holes. There's a lot of inconsistencies in this walls. There were paint drips here where you can see I tried to sand them down flat, but they're still there. This is the back of the breaker box where we were getting rid of all the wires out of there. This is where we were cutting some holes to pull some other wires through. So this stuff's all been patched. It's all been pretty well smooth. Our issue though is just these paint runs that we've got all over. And like I said, just you can see where there was wallpaper that's been peeled before. The base where the little backsplash piece that was up there, the trim, is just ripped down to the paper. So that all got sealed, kind of got filled. What we're going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and skim coat this wall. And I'm just going to, this is more just the paint runs that we had in this wall. So when this is done, because this is the focal point, because the stairs are right here, that wall's now open, everybody can see through to here, you don't want a garbage wall. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and skim coat it the easy way, but it's also the long way around. Instead of just talking trout, we're going to be rolling it on and then taking our 12-inch knife, making it nice and flat again and letting it dry up. If there's any issues after that, we can easily fill them, then give it a nice light sand so this whole wall has a perfect flat finish. So when people see this wall, it looks like it's brand new drywall, even though just the surfaces is just pitted and gone. Obviously, we're playing in the mud. We're going to take these can lights out, finish texturing the upstairs so that we can get our seal coat on, get everything primed, get everything painted. So I finished spraying that second coat on the ceiling. Everything is looking really good. Let me give you a little bit of the rundown of what's going on today. So I've got the ceiling painted here in the kitchen now. As you can see, these walls are absolutely filthy. I need to go ahead and wash these walls because I need to get this room painted today and the flooring in. Appliances get here later this afternoon, this evening. I want to be able to get in the appliances, get in the cabinets and the floor so I can have the granite guys come out, get measurements, and I can get that granite going as quick as I can and get this house finished. So I'm going to go ahead, get this wall washed up, and then once this is dry, we'll go ahead, we'll start painting this whole room and put all these outlets in probably first, just so I can have some light to work with, because this one window, the sun's on the other side of the house, doesn't really help a ton. So let's get after it. In uploading these videos to the computer, I realized I forgot to record a whole heck of a lot of stuff as far as the build here in the kitchen, getting the cabinets in and things like that. I did record doing the flooring, and I don't think I recorded doing the custom island. I have stills and photos, I believe, that I'll upload and plug into this video so you can see those. But from now on, I'm really going to try to focus and make sure I get some footage of the kitchen here.